Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And I think what we're gonna do we're just gonna come back into the crowds. So that's Senado Square and first day of Chinese New Year handing out something. Okay. Okay, it's Chinese New Year 2024. It's Year of the Green Dragon, and it's also the first day of the Chinese New Year. We got crowds and crowds of people. We're in Senado Square, so what we're gonna do is see what we can highlight in this area. So that's the area that we're in. Senado Square. I think they might also have some lion dancing and different stuff. I've been hearing fireworks. It's about almost 12, so I think we might capture some of it right while we're filming. So we're gonna see if that happens as well. So we're gonna see what that whole line is for too. Huh. That'll be interesting. Okay, so stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna go over there to see what that line is, and we're also just gonna check out and see. We got this celebration. I saw it recently from an aerial view, which is amazing. Then this one, there's crews everywhere too. So I don't know. Is that a celebrity? I think that might be a celebrity because it looks like professional cameras. I've been seeing some professional cameras, and I guess maybe what they do is some kind of professional. Let's go over there again. So I don't know. Do you know who that is? Actually, it's a lot of pretty cool. Just gonna kind of meander around a little bit. I also want to highlight the dragons. Maybe to other people they wouldn't be able to tell so easily, but when I look at people, it feels like it's a lot of mainland Chinese today as tourists. And a lot of Filipinos too. So we got this dragon because it's the Chinese New Year. Lots of people capturing that on film. We're gonna capture that too. And then we're just gonna walk and see what that whole line is down there. So Chinese New Year, some things have closed, like this kiosk is usually open, but it's closed today. And it's a Saturday, February 10, the first day of the Chinese New Year. And also it's a pretty big holiday, so the Filipino community will also have the day off too. So I'm seeing a lot of people from Philippines, Indonesia, and then lots of mainland Chinese tourists. Okay, let's see what this is all about. So this red right here, they are doing fireworks. You can see all the red in here. I don't know if that's from last night or this morning. And then that's a tour group, so those flags are the tour groups. So let me go see what this big long line is. So there's a long line right here. Tourist information. So they're all just kind of coming through and getting... Oh, okay. 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 So that's what they're doing. So they're all getting in line. The line goes way down here too, so let's just kind of see what that's all about. They're giving out something there. This is all part of Senado Square. Let's just keep on walking down and we'll just see. So this goes all the way down to St. Dominic's Church, Sao Paulo Church, St. Paul's. And I think what we're gonna do we're just gonna come back into the crowds. And I guess we're gonna walk around this way and just kind of see. Okay, everybody's getting something gold. I guess there's more of it there. Okay. So that's Senado Square and first day of Chinese New Year handing out something. I just saw the crowds today, so it's kind of hard to capture things properly. There. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.